Hi guys, in this video I will talk about for loop. So let's get started. First question is, what is the meaning of loop? Loop means doing task repeatedly. So this is the data set, and about this data set I discussed in my previous video. Please go and watch it to understand what is the meaning of this particular data set. And this is Rahul, and he collected the data of professors and PhD students from various university for medical testing. So he have a observation thousand of professor and thousand of student, and he going to the hospital. He submitted the data set to his manager, and the again manager do give other task to do, like manager says that add a this particular code P001. This means professor patient to the professor's name. This is the one task. The another task is that add a code S001 for student patient of the in the student name. For example, this is the data set, suppose, and this is the professor name column, and this is Rakesh Sanjay Pratap is a professors. And if he want to add a character P001, it look like this, P001 Rakesh, P001 Sanjay, like that. He have to add 4,000 professors. I hope you understand what is the task he given to him. If he recorded in the this information in the notebook, there are only one option is available. Take a pen and add it. In notebook, if you add it, there are only one option is available. But if in computer, you can manipulate the information by many ways. Let us suppose this is option 1. In this option he can use a paste function. He just write a paste and P001 string name, and the you know how to access the information in the data frame. So 1 means the access the value Rakesh, first value of professor name. 2 means Sanjay, 3 means Pratap. So like that, if he choose this option, he have to write thousand of line, and it is very time consuming. It takes around 3 to 4 hours, and everybody in this world want to save the time. This is option 2. The actually he is using a loop, and you as you can see that you need to write only two lines of code only. So as you can see that how powerful is loop. It takes only 5 seconds to write. When you run this, what happened? First it is starting a first iteration, then CPU execute the code P001 Rakesh. You know what is the output, and again he going for the second iteration. Then he again access the Sanjay column, and you got this output. Then again CPU going for the third iteration, and you finally got this. So like that you can visualize rest of the values. This is how loop is working. So like that CPU iteration reaches to the thousand automatically. You don't have to write each and every line. I hope you understand what is the best scenario in which you can use the loop. We write thousand because there are thousand observation in the, as you can see that 4 I in thousand. What suppose there are observation 1500 observation suppose, and you need to re-edit it again. You have to type 1500 in the parentheses after 4. And similarly there if you have a 2000 observation, you have to re-edit 2000 in the 4 I in 1000. So how to escape from re-editing? You don't, if you use the enrow is a function name which calculate the number of rows. If you use the function in replace of this, you don't need to re-edit them. function calculate the value for you automatically. These all things I will show you in R. I opened the R Studio. First I activated the Tidyverse library. I am using a Tibble data frame because building data frame you getting a problem. I am importing a data set. So as you can see that data is created. This is the professor name and this is other data set. Now I am using the option 1. If I run this all these 3 line, if you see this, as you can see that you got this, but there are thousands of observation and you need to write thousand line. So this is very time consuming, so I don't opt this option. So if I again going to the previous data frame, so now I am using a for loop. So as you can see that P001 is the string added to the name. If you scroll down to the reaches to the 1000, you finally got this. So this is how powerful for loop. Suppose if the data have 1200 observation. So as you can see that there are 1200 observation in the column name column professor name. Now let's check it. If I am not re-edit it, what happened? If I run this and I am seeing now. So as you can see that it iterate only 4000 observation and we have a 1200 observation. So that's why you need to re-edit it for complete your task. Again I created a data frame. So this is 1200 observation. As you can see that there is nothing. I created this because so that you can see that the changes. Now the data have a 1200 observation. I need to re-edit it. When I run it, now as you can see that your task is completed. If you want to escape from re-editing again and again, you can use the enrow function. So suppose if I have a data set 1000 observation, if I am using a enrow function, you got your task completed. So as you can see that it added to till the 1000 observation. If the data set is 1200 observation and you don't need to re-edit again because function automatically calculate for you. When I run this, so now as you can see that it added to the 1200 observation. I hope you understand what is the using of loop. Thank you.